Hello internet and welcome to my channel. It's about journeys and portraits and bike. I invite you to another portrait journey, this time to Romania with my wife. At the beginning we didn't have a precise plan. We only knew that we wanted to cross the Transfagarska and Transalpina roads, that's all. So we had a sketch of the plan. I also knew that I wanted to take portraits of bikers, portraits of people I met. Please subscribe this channel. It will help in its development and it will help in my travels. So feel invited and let's start. And I will show you bike. It's here. Well, this is Staszek, and Staszek is ready, and Staszek is awesome and pretty, and so feel invited. I saw it on the On Her Bike channel here on YouTube, and I always wanted to record such jump, and I didn't know how pathetic it would look for me. And the road through southeastern Poland and through eastern Slovakia. Maybe a little bit boring, but very, very enjoyable. In eastern Hungary, driving through endless cornfields is even more boring, but it's also very fun and also very enjoyable. In the meantime, we've booked accommodation in Cluj-Napoca, it's in Romania. And that means the 7.5 hours of leisurely driving on the back roads without rushing. Just leisurely driving. My wife became hungry in Hungary, so we've stopped at McDonald's in Kisvárda, in Hungary. It was a good opportunity for the first portraits on the road, especially since there were some Polish motorcyclists in the parking lot. Panowie, przepraszam najmocniej. Czy mogę wam zrobić po portrecie? Mam taki projekt fotograficzny, że normalnie robię ludziom portrety na ulicach, a teraz stwierdziłem, że będę robił też motocyklistom. No, gdzieś przy motorze.
Nie jesteśmy, że tak powiem, eleganccy,
bo jak ma wyglądać motocyklista, kurde?
bo lecimy tam, no nieważne skąd, z Rumunii, więc trochę...
A z Rumunii wracacie, tak?
No dobra.
Nie fajnie, nie fajnie.
A jak to zdjęcie ma być?
Byle jak, nie wiem, przy motorze najchętniej, tylko tak, żebym nie miał może słońce za plecami. Jakby któryś ze panów tu stanął. Co prawda nie mam żadnej portretówki, ale to...
Na zdjęciu.
No, o, super. Dobra. To jeszcze się zamieńcie tylko miejscami, jeśli mogę prosić, co? Super, ja wam gdzieś jakoś je wyślę, dobra?
Dobra.
Tylko sobie zaraz wezmę od was adres e-mail. Dobra, dla pewności jeszcze, czy jest... Super, pięknie wam dziękuję.
Dzięki.
Już, tylko sobie coś wezmę do pisania. Road again. For a change, instead of plains with corn, we rode on plains with some forests. And again, side roads, just as GPS showed us, the shortest possible road. The Polish-Slovak and Slovak-Hungarian borders. It was actually hard to see them, just two poles on the side of the road. I didn't even have time to turn on the cameras. But at the Hungarian Romanian crossing in Valai, Hungary, we waited for the check for about 15 minutes. But in the bright, harsh sun. You can see us here after crossing the border. Siedzi dziecko? Uśmiechnie się do kamerki. We are in Romania now. Romania is a pretty country. The road is a little bit boring, but we are. The lane was very short. It took us about 10 minutes, maybe quarter, to get into Romania. We got 2 hours left of our journey to Cluj-Napoca. I hope that's the correct spell of this name of this city. The bike is ready, so let's go right through Romania. My wife's got water, everything is in place. And this part of Romania is, for a change, plains and fields and fields and plains, until finally there were mountains and bends and curves and views and everything that motorcyclists' soul needs. Mountains and bends and curves and views, plus the setting sun. It means the perfect end of the day for a motorcyclist. Too bad we didn't met other riders that day, and I didn't took more portraits. It's normal, you can't have everything. Overnight and dinner in Cluj-Napoca. It's a beautiful city in western Romania. And lying in bed, we've decided that next day we would go through Sighișoara to Brașov. From there, it's close to Bran, where Vlad Dracula castle is. Just one stop before our today journey ends. And some views here. It's cool and very nice. We like Romania, isn't it? And Staszek also likes Romania. So here we are in Cluj-Napoca in the evening, in the heart of Romania. It's almost the heart of Romania. It's the end of the day. I got 2 portraits, not too many, but it's okay. The road was very nice. Pavement was also good and the views were nice, and I hope I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel and
next to you.